Are you in an Instagram group chat and have you sent a message that you now regret? Or did you accidentally send a message to the wrong group chat? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, you'll learn how to unsend an Instagram message in a few simple steps. I will show you step by step how to remove embarrassing messages from the group chat so your friends don't have access to them. I'll also discuss what happens when someone has already seen the message before you delete it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on the group chat. And now I'm going to send a message to this group chat. So in order to delete this message from this group chat, simply tap and hold the message, and then you'll see that there is the option to unsend this message. So go ahead and tap on Unsend. And now that message has disappeared from the group chat. However, if someone in the group chat has already seen that message, then unsending it won't do any good because they have already read that message and they know what your message was. So if you want to unsend a message, make sure to do it as soon as possible before anyone sees it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.